Warning: this video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness. Viewer discretion advised.
After several people have brought it to my attention, the latest gravel driveway video did not include the before and after results.
I swear to God, I don't know how it happened. It's all a big mistake. You gotta believe me. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
So enjoy this video, which will include some extra footage, including how everything turned out when I was all finished. I am Bradley. Thanks for joining us today. I totally dropped the ball last night. It was a long day, finishing off that drainage system. Come home last night, my boots are all muddy, I'm really muddy, Gertrude's all muddy. Didn't feel like it, got the pressure washer out, hosed her off. I mean, there was just mud all over the place. I was covered. So much, in fact, that my wife said, don't you even think about coming into the house like that. So I get cleaned up and I was beat. I was tired. Got on the lazy boy recliner. It felt so nice. Went to bed early. I forgot to charge my GoPro batteries. I got 8 of them and I only have 3 right now that are fully charged. I didn't put them in until this morning. So I have 1 in this camera, 1 in the tripod camera, and a backup that's in the camera case. So we're going to go ahead and get loaded up. We have at least 1 driveway grading today. I'm going to try to get to another one, which includes a stump grinding. I'm not sure how that's going to work. We're going to see. I don't move that fast anymore. But when I do get to a customer's property, I do take my time and I do a really good job. It's just those days of hustling are long gone for me, and I want to make this fun. I want to keep this fun, and as long as I'm having fun, I'm doing it right. The minute I'm going so fast I'm not having any fun anymore, I need to switch gears and slow down, and my wife is very good at helping me regulate that. So let's go ahead and get loaded up, and hopefully in that time my other 4 batteries will have had a chance to get some kind of a charge on them, because I don't want to miss any of the footage today. Anyway, let's get started, get loaded up, and get out of here. I forgot these last time. Not today. Well, I've just arrived on this beautiful morning and there has been a lot of erosion on this driveway, and I'm super excited because I know how great this is going to look when it's over. She has more than enough material to work with here, and let's go ahead and get started. I know what you're thinking. Why in the world am I using my foot instead of our new KJ520 narrow broom? Well, the KJ520 was finally delivered to our dealer about 2 weeks ago, but the actuator kit is on back order, about 4 to 5 weeks, waiting on Ventrac to send it out. They are behind on everything with these supply chain delays. So you guys at Ventrac, keep up the great work. Get me that actuator kit as soon as possible. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Well, we just got loaded up, and it turned out so nice. The customer was so excited. She asked her mom to come over. They both looked at it. They're super thrilled with the result. I love getting these reactions every single time. Job well done. Let's roll out of here and go home. Thanks for joining us again, and we'll see you next time.